Hi everyone, this is Brad with InMotion Hosting, and today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress using your cPanel. The first thing that you're going to want to do is log into your account management panel, and to do that, click the login link at the top right of inmotionhosting.com. And then from here, continue to log into your account management panel using your email address. Okay, now that we're logged in, we're going to go ahead and access the details link underneath account and billing. And you can see that we have a domain name, inmotiontesting.com, and there's a link that says cPanel login right here. So we're going to go ahead and click the cPanel login link, and that will automatically log us into our cPanel. Now we're going to use Fantastico to install WordPress. So what you'll want to do is scroll down until you find this smiley face right here that says Fantastico Deluxe. Go ahead and click on that. And you'll find WordPress located underneath blogs. Go ahead and click on WordPress. Now over here it gives you a brief description about WordPress. If you have WordPress installed already, you'll see it under current installations. We're going to go ahead and click on new installation. Now we're on the WordPress installation screen, and the first thing that we need to decide on is the install on domain name. Now I've only got one domain on this account, it's inmotiontesting.com, but if you had other domain names you can click the drop down and you should see them there. The install in directory allows you to install WordPress into another folder. For example, if I wanted someone to go to inmotiontesting.com/blog, then I could type in blog and it would install it into a subfolder named blog. In this example, I want someone to go simply to inmotiontesting.com and see my WordPress blog. The next thing we'll do is set up our admin access data, and here you can put in just a username and password. For example, you could put in admin as the username and then set up a password. Now I'm going to do password now just for testing purposes. Under the base configuration, there's a few other settings you want to put in. For example, the admin nickname, I'm going to go ahead and just put Brad in there. The admin email address, it uses your cPanel username to kind of guess your email address. So you can go ahead and change that here. For the site name and description, go ahead and just put in your site's name and description, and you'll see how it places it on the site. If you're not happy with it, it's a setting that you can always change later. None of these settings are really actually set in stone. So we'll set the site name to InMotion Testing, and then for the description we'll put a place for testing. Click on Install WordPress, and it brings us to step 2 of 3. This is basically a confirmation page letting us know that it's going to create a database and set up the user for that database. So go ahead and just click Finish Installation to continue. And now we're at step 3 of 3, which there's really nothing else we need to do here. It's telling us that it successfully installed WordPress. If I wanted to have the login credentials and some of the other details about the install emailed to myself, you could put in your email address at the bottom here, and then click the Send Email button. Now it says that I installed WordPress successfully, so I should be able to go to inmotiontesting.com and see my WordPress installation. And so as you can see, here's the title I typed in Motion Testing, and here's the description, a place for testing. Now, not all templates have the title and the description in the same place, so depending on your template, it may show it in a different location. So that's pretty much it for now, and later videos will go more into WordPress, but for now I just wanted to show you how easy it was to install WordPress from within your cPanel. And if you have any questions at all, you can always contact our support department 24 hours a day, and you can send us an email at support@inmotionhosting.com. Hope you enjoyed.